Hello, BIODROGA family. There can be a little bit of confusion with the exfoliants. There's only 4 now, but sometimes it can be a little bit sort of like, oh, do I pick this one? Do I pick this one? And why do we have 4 when we can make it quite simple? So the product I want to talk today is about the 10% acid peeling in the Bioscience Institute line. Now, this product is retail only, so we just need to focus on how to prescribe this for the clients at home. So what is in this product? So it says a 10% acid peeling. So 10% acid, they're not really mentioning the name of the acid in the product's name. And that's because there's lots of different acids in here. There's lactic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, and also the polyhydroxy acids. So what are they? So we know what all acids do is they break down and dissolve the glue, the bond that holds dead skin cells together. So there are other acids too, like our polyhydroxy acids, that have lots of other benefits as far as increasing skin hydration, increasing collagen synthesis in the skin. So they have lots of functions. So in this particular product, we've blended really 5 different acids, all very gentle. Now, when we think about lactic, tartaric, and citric, so those acids are potentially, they're really more our AHAs, our alpha hydroxy acids. But our PHAs, our polyhydroxy acids, so the others are naturally occurring. Our polyhydroxy acids, they are created, they're synthetically made. And they're synthetically made to be much larger in molecular structure, so they actually don't penetrate as deeply. So this is a real blend of different acids that work at different levels and could be very easily used on even the most sensitive of skins. Now, how do you use this product? So when we first launched this product, we were using it just as a put on and remove product. But we have found that this product can also be left on the skin. So the best way to use it is to clean your skin, to dry your skin completely, and to apply a fine layer for 3 minutes over the top. Now, you could remove any excess and go on with the rest of your skincare routine. Don't worry about extra serums and things, but just your moisturizer. Or you could leave this on the skin. Now, it also contains an ingredient called alpha-glucan oligosaccharide, and what we know about that ingredient is a prebiotic. So it helps to feed and give the energy to the good bacteria. That's why I love the thought of just leaving this product on. Now, you don't need lots of it. So if you just go to put maybe 3 pumps all over the face, the skin will absorb it all. There's actually no need to, sort of make this a really nice thick layer, unlike something like the lifting boost mask that we know just, sucks it all in. But this product can just be just a few pumps all over, left for 3 minutes, and then put your moisturizer on, which will buffer the product up nicely. And you will leave all the goodness in the product on the skin. No problem at all. So where does this sit in the family of exfoliants, of chemical exfoliants, is I think the enzyme booster peeling at a 5% lactic is the most gentle. And this product really does, though, need to have the excess removed. Okay, so they massage it into the skin and then the excess is removed. Doesn't have to be washed off, just removed. It's a 5% lactic acid peel with enzyme boosting ingredient from the cactus flower. Very gentle. Rosacea, red skins, irritated skins, perfect. The next one is the 10% acid peeling, and that really falls as the next step up in our chemical peeling. The next one after that would be our most intense, and that is the 10% glycolic acid peeling pads, which we know glycolic acid just uses 1 acid in here. Very small, strong 10%. 10% is a really good strength for glycolic acid, so this is the most intense. So we have enzyme booster peeling, 10% acid peeling, and the 10% glycolic acid pads. There is really something for everyone in those 3 different chemical exfoliation products, and all of these are available for retail for your client. Any questions below, but I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.